this grounding rod. Yeah.
In this video, I installed 2 ground rods, 8 feet in the ground, to get ready for the sub panel for the Sugar Shack Nature Center and Family Pavilion 3000.
This is going surprisingly well. I thought I was gonna hit all these rocks and stuff, but not so much.
I really should have used a hammer drill, but the sledgehammer worked just as well. And I was able to get both of them in about a half hour.
Of course, I hit a rock.